Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigCommerce with ShipStation shipping workflows easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the BigCommerce website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the Apps section in the main dashboard. In the Apps section, search for ShipStation in the App Marketplace. Click on the ShipStation app to open its details page. Now, click the Install button to add ShipStation to your BigCommerce store. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation process. Once ShipStation is installed, open a new tab and log into your ShipStation account. If you do not have a ShipStation account, you will need to create one. In ShipStation, navigate to the Account Settings section. Under Selling Channels, click on Connect a Store or Marketplace. Select BigCommerce from the list of available options. You will be prompted to enter your BigCommerce store's API credentials. Return to your BigCommerce account to find the API credentials in Settings. Copy the API path, username, and token from BigCommerce. Paste the API credentials back into the appropriate fields in ShipStation. Next, click Test Connection to ensure that ShipStation can communicate with your BigCommerce store. If the connection is successful, complete the integration by clicking Connect. At this point, you can set up your shipping. Go to the Shipping section in ShipStation to configure your shipping preferences. Customize your shipping options, such as carrier and service levels. You can set rules for automatic shipping and handling based on your business needs. Once your workflows are set up, always remember to save your changes. To verify everything is working correctly, create a test order on your BigCommerce store. Check if the order appears in ShipStation and if the workflow operates as expected. Congratulations! Your BigCommerce store is now successfully integrated with ShipStation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.